tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the
I am down here in our aluminum shop. I have the bed off of an F150, one of the newer aluminum bodied F150s. And this one's gonna get a new bedside. It's ripped open down here, right in this corner here, crushed throughout this area. I have the new side right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one cut off, then I will start prepping out fitting up the new one. So this bedside has some adhesive going right through here, so I'm gonna warm it up to get it to release. So you can see right here, the inside of this old bedside has a sound deadening pad there and over here as well. I just have some generic ones. And I like to warm these up first before I stick them. But these just help with road noise. All right, well, I got this bedside all fit up. My tailgate lines up very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and lift the bedside back off, and I will lay out all my panel bond adhesive and I will put it back on permanently this time around. All right, well, I got this one all rivet bonded on. I'm gonna let the glue dry for a bit. I'm gonna keep on moving this heat lamp around here and there to different spots to help it cure faster. And then I will come back later once the glue is dry and clean it up the rest of the way and send this one up to our paint shop. I have a Scion TC here. This one took a hit right in this left front corner right here, and it crushed this frame rail right in here. Luckily, they actually have a sectioning procedure where this frame rail gets sectioned in right about here. You still have to buy the frame rail as a complete unit, but Toyota offers that sectioning procedure to make it a lot easier repair. So it will get cut. I'll have to measure it out on this rail right in here somewhere. And then it also gets a few of these new brackets as well, right here, and this side plate. So I'm gonna make a quick pull, roughly pull the damage out, and then I'll start cutting this one apart. So this frame rail gets sectioned. They have a measurement 80 millimeters back from the edge right here, which I already marked it. So I'm gonna lay out some tape and I'm gonna make my cut. So I went ahead and got our measuring system out and I matched it to the vehicle, and I'm measuring the front here now to make sure this is sitting exactly where we want it. Also going to go ahead and check this side. And it looks like this is measuring out perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my seam welded up, get that welded up, then I'll start fitting my other parts, these two pieces on. And I have this plate sitting on there just to make sure it fits correctly. So, but I'll get the seam welded, then I'll start fitting the rest of that together. So I went ahead and I fit up the headlights because there's a bracket the headlight sits on right here. I wanted to make sure it was sitting exactly where it's supposed to be sitting. But my headlight gaps look nice and even side to side. So I'm gonna get that bracket welded on, and this one will be just about wrapped up.